Hello, so this is going to be my GCSE video, a proper one. So this is from the AQA exam board. I will be doing Edexcel and OCR. But so far I'm going to be starting off with AQA. And one thing you need to know is that for GCSEs, it will have higher and foundation. And for higher, it includes everything in foundation along with the topics in higher. So because you do higher, it means that you also have to do the topics that's in foundation. So these videos would also be for you. So I'm going to be doing the first topic, which is going to be numbers. So the first thing that you have on the spec, if you look on the AQA spec, this is where I'm taking this from. So you might be wondering where the N1 is and where this is. It's from the AQA spec. I will be doing that for Edexcel and OCR as well. So first thing is order positive and negative integers, decimals, and fractions. Okay, I'm going to do this part here first. And then I'll be moving on to this one and this one possibly in another video, and this one will be in a separate video because these two will need further explanation, so it won't be able to fit in one video. Okay, so order positive and negative integers. So what an integer is it's a whole number. It's literally another name for a whole number. So just write down integer is not very good with my English. It's a whole number, which can be positive or negative. And it also includes 0. Or 0. So that is what an integer is. Okay, so what the spec is asking is to order positive and negative integers. I'm going to give a few examples of positive and negative integers, and you can think of some on your own, some on your own. So integer, not integer. I'm going to go through, so it'll be easy to see what will clearly be an integer and what won't be. So here, 3, numbers like -6, 8, 100, million, so on. So you can see these are all whole numbers. What would be an integer would be something like a decimal or a fraction. And sometimes you can have other things like pi. Pi is also 3.14. It does go further on, but I can't remember to write the whole thing down. It literally goes on forever. And you can have 2/5. You can have 1.26 recurring. You can have 1.3 recurring. You can have anything really that just does not involve a whole number. So yeah, if you're looking at doing A-level, you may come across this, which is an exponential term. So that is also another one. I do not remember if this is in GCSE. I don't think so. Very unlikely. But if any of you are planning to do A-level maths, you will see this as well. And yeah. So I've gone over what would be an integer and what's not an integer. So now ordering it. If I was to order positive numbers, So if I put in a random group of numbers, so 3, 4, 1, 2, 7, 11, right? And if I was to what do you call it? Put it in order from lowest to highest, the lowest number would be 1, then 2, and 3, then 4, and 7, and 11. And we know that because when we count, we know which number kind of comes after each other. It will be slightly more confusing when you get into the negatives. So that's when sometimes a number line would be easier to use. For example, okay, so I'm going to write a number line at the top here, so it'll be easy. Okay. Okay, so in this number line, the lowest number would be the one more towards the left. The highest one would be the one more towards the right. I think now. Okay. So, if I was to put in order the lowest to the highest, so if I was to do -8, -6, -4, I'm just doing random numbers, 3, 8. Right. So we know that the most negative number in this would be 8, as it's the lowest and it's the most furthest down. So 8 would be the first. I realized that I've just written that in order. Okay, anyway, so that'll be -8. Then, as you can see, -6 is not as negative as -8. Therefore, that would go next. And I'm going from the lowest value to the highest. And you've got -4. -4 is clearly getting higher and higher each time. Then you've got 2. And then, as you can see from here, it'll be 3, and then it'll follow 1 to 8. So that's how it works. And sometimes it would be good to use a number line because it's just easier to tell at times. And eventually, you'll just get the hang of if. What have I done here? Okay.